Welcome to Simple Crypto. Today I'm going to show you how to easily set up a Bittensor wallet. Let's go. First off, we need to visit wallet.bittensor.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Click Create, read the disclaimer and accept if you agree, and click Create New. Now before we generate our secret phrase, it's important to note that you should never share this phrase with anyone. If you do, you risk losing all of your funds. Click Generate Mnemonic Phrase and your wallet secret phrase will be created. Store this phrase in a safe and secure place. Remember, if you lose this phrase, then you'll be unable to access your account. Once you have this phrase written down in a safe place, click Stored Securely. Retype in your mnemonic phrase and click Continue. Enter a wallet password, retype the wallet password, and click Continue. Congratulations, you've now set up your Bittensor wallet. Click Access and you can now send, receive, and stake your TAO tokens. Now that you have a Bittensor wallet created, you can import your secret phrase into another wallet provider, such as Talisman Wallet, Polkadot.js, Nova Wallet, Sub Wallet, and more. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.